Hello, adventurers! This is Rob Zip from the Most Epic Adventures and my cat friend Dimmu, named after Dimmu Borgir, the place in Iceland that the band named after the place. Maybe Bobby will make an appearance also. This is another Japancrate unboxing. I know it's only been a week since the last one I posted, but that was last Friday, and on Monday, I got the March box, and I've actually waited a few days before opening it. But here we go, Japancrate Premium. And the March box is themed from Swordart Online, I believe. It's an anime, I believe. I don't watch much anime. I've never seen this show, but apparently it's pretty popular if they're making a whole box for this. It's premium. Here's all their social stuff, their website, and on the box, the bottom of the box, here's my shipping information. More Swordart, copyright 2017. Well, this is the box for March 2020. Let's got my letter opener here. I will cut the box open. Let's put this aside. Let's open the box. Hopefully not spill anything out. It's the what it looks like on the inside. And I'm gonna open this. Yeah, stuff's gonna spill out if I try to open it too much, but here's the little paper with the explanation of everything, and this is what the box looks like. Anyway, so there's a lot of stuff in here. Wow, this one's packed to the brim. So let's go over what we have, and I'll use this nice little brochure. So it says, this month we've partnered with Bandai Namco Entertainment to materialize the world of Swordart Online. Okay, the names I don't know. But you're gonna battle your way through delicious snacks and candies. So I apologize, I do not know anything about Swordart Online. So this is, I mean, it seems cool. You open it from the back forward, like you're reading it in Japanese because they read from right to left. And here is there's a little maze and word search. So this is cool for kids. And here is the information about all of the snacks. And I'm going to show you what we have here. This is not a snack. This is a bonus item. It is a Swordart Online keychain. So this is, I don't know what character this is because I don't watch this or play this. Is it a game? It might be a game. Game, anime, both. On the back, got the little not for sale. So if you want this, leave a comment on this video and I'll probably send it to you. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up too while you're at it. And if you haven't done so, subscribe. So that this keychain is going to someone who listens to this or watches this video and leaves a comment saying they want it. And I'll tell you what my email address is, and you can email me, and I'll send it to you. All right, first little candy we have. This is Constellation Choco Cookie. So it's a chocolate cookie. Cool. I'm going to set this stuff over here in this box. This is, it looks like a key full of candy. This is a key choco, so chocolate candies in the shape of a key. Here's the back of the package. One of these, it's a sour cider candy. So it's like a gummy. It's like a sour gummy. All right, and from the Kit Kat company, we have some Ruby chocolate, nuts and berries Ruby Kit Kats. So these are way different, but you see the little picture, what they look like here. This will go in my Kit Kat collection. Every month they send me something Kit Kat related. We have some gum, Lifeguard gum. Whoa! So if you're swimming and you start to drown, just throw people this gum. Oh, this is a cute little tiger box. These are Choco Animals. So some little chocolates in here. And this is one of 12 different animals. You see the little tiger. My cat friend Bobby was looking at me funny. This is a bottle sour. So this is a little bottle of sour powder candy. It looks like a whiskey bottle or something. We've got some little mushroom or tulip lollipops. What does this say? This is Dutch candy flowers. So, yeah, Dutch candy flowers from Japan. Peach ninja candy. Hoya! So ninjas need candy too. So this is some peach candy for ninjas. Very special. We have some fruit stand chewy candy DIY. You can materialize your own fruits for your inventory with this chewy candy DIY kit. Use the gummy candy to turn them into different fruits with the mold included in your kit. Even comes with your own fold-up fruit stand. So this is like a cool toy. And bell peppers aren't... Well, I guess they are fruits. And tomatoes. But, yeah. Make your own. And here's the instructions on the back. There's little molds. And you pour the stuff in there. And then you just place them on the stand for display. To sell. Oh, another one of these. There's one of these last month. I should say the other day. This is a pudding daifuku. So it's a little like marshmallow thing with pudding on the inside. Very good. Okay, Mountain Dew Violet. Mountain Dew is chock full of caffeine, and I do not partake in caffeine. So this is Violet with grape flavor. So Aaron, me and Aaron G, if you want this, I know you're a big Mountain Dew fanatic, you can have this. If you don't watch this and somebody else sees this, leave a comment. And if you want this, let me know and I will send this to you. I would prefer to hand deliver it to someone because this would be a few dollars for me to ship. So if you want this, you can have it. I don't want it. I can't have this. Moving on, this little, oh, this is cool. This is a tiny gummy. It's a rock, paper, scissors candy. And you get one of the hands, and I got, it looks like paper. You throw it down. It's like one of those like slimy hands. And then we have some waffle ice, cocoa, and vanilla. This is a truffle, choco, and vanilla kinikoyama. So I don't know if they're little mushrooms or I don't know. Yeah, they're chocolate mushroom. Okay, so they're chocolate mushrooms, but they're the flavor of chocolate and vanilla ice cream in a cone. That's the flavor of the chocolate mushrooms. And we've got some wasabi flavored Cheetos. Chester Cheetah made a little trip to Japan and decided to put some wasabi on his Cheetos. I'm looking forward to these. These are going to be good. Wasabi Cheetos. And what do we have here? We have some Black honey and matcha caramel corn. Those sound pretty yummy too. Black honey and matcha caramel corn. Here's what they kind of look like. And then what is this last thing? There's a sword in here. A candy sword. Yeah, so this is gum. This is gum. There's gum in this sword. Ooh. And that's it. That's it for the March 2020 Japancrate Premium Swordart Online special box. So if you want the keychain or the Mountain Dew, leave a comment. All the rest of the stuff I'm going to eat eventually. I still have, obviously I still have most of the stuff from the last box because I just got it a week ago. I'm going to get one more box and then it's done with Japancrate. It's been cool. It's been interesting. But for what I get more, I care more. I could go to the Japan grocery store and get stuff like this. So that's one good thing about living in Houston. It's a big city. You do have to drive a little ways to get there. But anyway, that's the video. Thanks for watching. And I will have some more interviews from bands and live sets and all that stuff coming soon. Bye.